Hi everyone, today I want to show you a new thing in MidJourney world called MidJourney Alpha. MidJourney Alpha is a version of MidJourney which you can open in your web browser. To do that, you need to type in Google MidJourney Alpha and go to MidJourney Alpha website. Here you need to log in via Discord or via your email, and here is an interface of MidJourney Alpha. Here you have an option to explore. Here you can see all pictures generated by other people, and here you can search for inspiration. For example, I'm looking for a dog, and here I have all dogs generated by other people. What can I do here else? I can use any of these pictures as an inspiration. So for example, I can drag and drop here this picture, and here I have two types of inspirations. If I choose use as a character, the character on this picture will be used as an inspiration for a character you will create. And here I have use as image prompt so that it will be used as a style for future created image. So let's use this picture as a style. And now let's look for a dog which will be our character. I want a German Shepherd, for example, and here it is. And let's use this picture as a character. And here we can write our prompt and let's type dog steady and let's generate. To check our generations, we can go to create. And here will be our result. Here as well, we can see all generations we made before. And let's wait for our result. And here's our result. And let's now do vice versa. And use this picture as a character and this one as a style and type the same. Let me show you my previous result. I used this guy as a character and this picture as a style, and it created for me such pictures. And here is our result on our last generation. What else we have here? We have here an option to organize. It organized by default here by dates, but as well we can create folders here. To create folder, we can click create folder and type, for example, a dog here and click smart folder. We can add search terms for pictures we want to add here. So let's, for example, dog and create folder. And then if we go to this folder, we have here all generations with dogs which I ever created. We have here filters as well. So let's go to all images, and we have also filters here as well. So we can choose rating here, type, image size. So for example, landscape. And here are all landscape which I ever created, or portraits. Also all portraits I ever created. We can also choose version in which the picture was created. And also we have tiled or raws here as well. By default, pictures here showed in square format, but we can also choose a full format here and it will show us pictures in full formats. So here, for example, if we put square, it will be square. And if I click full format, it will show us those pictures as a landscape and those ones as a portrait. And also we can ask it to show pictures in small, medium, or large format. We have an option of personalization here as well, and we can teach MidJourney our favorite style by choosing which pictures of two we like the most. So for example, it gives me two pictures and I need to choose which one I like more. So here, for example, this one. And here I have two more options. And here I like this one more, for example. Here it can be very different pictures or similar. You just need to choose which one you like better. Here we have different types of chats, and we can see what other people are working at. Here we have our tasks as well. Here we can get some rewards by completing tasks. Here as well on the bottom, we can help updates, light mode, and other settings of our account. As I already told you in the first video, we have manage profile, manage subscription, manage uploads, MidJourney Discord, or an option to log out. The biggest difference between regular MidJourney and MidJourney Alpha is that here we can basically generate images and use other pictures as an inspiration. So you can experiment with that and let me know which one you liked better, MidJourney Alpha or MidJourney Discord. See you in the next video.